Hi, welcome back to 20th video of this Java programming series. In our previous video, we have discussed what is a constructor and what is its nature, types of constructor, parameterized and default constructor. And in continuation to our previous video, we will discuss in this video how to overload a constructor. So we already told that a constructor is also a method, a special type of method. It is also a method and hence it can be overloaded. And we will see in this video how to overload a constructor. So can a constructor can be overloaded? It is a fact that constructor is also a method, a special type of method that carries the same name as the class name. So it can also be overloaded. So this is the example. So we have two constructors here, class pencil box. First one a default constructor without any argument, and second one is parameterized constructor with two arguments. So we have given two constructors here. I mean constructor is overloaded here. Whenever the object is created, if the object is created with an empty braces, this first constructor will be called. Or if the object is created with two arguments, this second constructor will be called. So by uh, compile time, the compiler will be able to differentiate which constructor has to be called. So we will see an example code in Eclipse now. So this is the exact place where we left in the previous video. We had a parameterized constructor. Right. Now we have actually overloaded the constructor. So we have what is mean by overloading, method overloading? Two or more method with the same name, but by differing by number of arguments or type of arguments. That is what the definition of method overloading. So constructor itself a method, and hence we have tried to overload the constructor. Two constructors given, one is without any argument and second one is with two argument. So we have overloaded the constructor now. Now what I will do is I will try to just create object without any argument. So there is an option for both the possibilities, without argument and with argument. So as per the either the argument given or argument not given by the user, the compiler will be able to differentiate with the which constructor has to be called. So as per this line, the default constructor must be called. We will check the output. Right now, if I give some value 5, 100, the controller, the control will leave this default constructor as it is, and then it will call this alone because we have given two values, so two integer values. So the signature of constructor that matches with two integer values is this one. So obviously this constructor must be called. We'll anyhow run this code and check for the output. So parameterized constructor called, this is the output. I think the constructor overloading concept is clear now. In case you have any queries, you can leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting us.